Okay, hello everyone, Brett Gurney here. We've been doing this little series here called blog creation. For those of you who might be just getting started doing a blog or thinking about it, taking you all through the process that we went through leading up to where we are today. We're going to do a how-to series so that you'll be able to look at the screen as we go through the entire process of how to, everything from the beginning, beginning with how to get your own domain, how to get your own hosting company, how to install the blog, how to set up the blog, how to turn it on, how to start posting, and then how to customize the blog, and then right into how to drive traffic to the blog, how to put a sales funnel on the blog. We're going to cover all that stuff instead of building somebody else's company or list or platform or whatever, like blogger.com or wordpress.com or what have you. Okay, we're going to now start building our own. Okay, and we're going to host it. Okay, and we're going to build our list, and everything that we do, we will own. Okay, if you want to follow the videos, just go to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Brett Gurney, and I encourage you to go to my blog, brettgurney.com, and while you're there, get the freebie, the free bonus there. The first how-to we're going to talk about is how to get your own domain. If you don't have a domain yet, and if you're trying to do something, trying to make something happen on the internet, online, if you're just dropping links and saying, here's my link, join my deal, or here's my link, buy my stuff, and that's all that you're doing, you need to kind of think about stopping that, getting away from that. You don't want to ever stop prospecting for whatever it is that you're building, but you want to kind of shift over to starting to promote yourself more and adding more value. And it kind of begins with getting your own domain name, and that'll be whatever you want it to be. It can match your theme or your niche market, whether you're involved with health and wellness or skincare or travel or telecommunications, phones, all the things that are out there, whatever it is. Or you can brand it specifically to you. You want to establish an identity. You want to establish a presence online, and you want to let people know that you're serious about what you're doing, and that's the first step is getting yourself a domain, so that when you do put a link out there, it's your domain. It's not somebody else's. It's not your abccompany.com. Here, my link, go join because all you're doing is branding somebody else. Okay, and so we will talk more about this, believe me, because it's a big thing. But I want to thank you for your time, and we will see you on the next video. Okay, have a great one. Bye.